welcome back, people. Thank you for stopping by. As you can see, this is an update on what is happening on site. Right now, since we did fill the compound, we are then laying the pipes for lights in the compound, and also all the security post lights is also connected. The cables will be connected to the main house. So, and then we also have the landscaping that we have to take into consideration. So before the electrician started laying all these pipes, the landscaping guy was on site, because we do have a drawing for the landscaping how we want it to be. So he was on site and worked with the electrician to show him where he wants areas that he wants lights. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to have this standing lights. It's kind of what they call a landscaping light. In the states, we do have this that you buy, and it's like solar lights that you can just stick it on the ground and then it will just turn on at night. But this one is wired. We're gonna wire it like it's gonna be. So as you can see, they're working on it. Now what they're doing is, as you can see, they have some PVC pipes that they stick it on the ground before they use the small pipes for the cables to pass through. So they'll put it inside there, and then what they put on the ground, the PVC pipes, actually they'll pour a little bit of concrete in it so to make it stable, so it doesn't break. And that's what they're doing. So as you can see, even around the septic tank, all that area will have lights, the standing lights. There will be a lot of lights on the compound. Now let me know as you watch this video whether you think the lights are too many. But we want, even on the septic tank, we're going to try as much as we can to hide it, to see whether we can actually plant grass on it, and then just leave a little bit of if we have to leave a little bit of opening. But obviously people shouldn't come into the house and see a septic tank. I hate that. So that's what we're going to do. On the pool side also, we did put about 6 spots for light. Those lights will be overlooking the pool. All right, those lights will be overlooking the pool. So as you can see, that one they already did put the cables in there when they did it last time. So that is already done. Looking forward to how the pool will turn out when we do all that. We put all those lights in. Now also, as you can see, even though we have some lights on the wall throughout the house, we still want more lights to beautify the place. Now as you can see, they are almost done with the lights on the compound, but we do have a lot of them, so I'll try and count them if I can. You start from here. There's 1, 2, and I think there's 3, and then 4. So I think and 5. So I think on this side there's about 5 of those standing lights that we'll buy. Quite spendy here, but that's what we want. So we're gonna try to do it based on how we want the landscaping to look like. And then over on this side we have 1, 2, and then I think there's third one, which is 3 here. Yeah, there's a third one here, and then it stops because that's where we have the porch that you can actually, there's an entrance there. So then we start again. I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and I think there's another one, 5, and I think another one coming up. There's 5, 5, and then 6, and then it stops there. All right, because there's an entrance also. That's another porch. And then over here there's 1, 2, 3, and then on the septic tank also, you see that over there there's 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there's 5, 6. So 6. So if you count everything, how many do you guys think you got? I think there's over on the pool side alone, there's 9 over there, and you come here and I think there's 5, so that's 14 plus 3, that's 17, and then here's 6. So you're talking about 23 of those that we will have to buy. So that's what we have. But I think because we're gonna try as much as we can to have a lot of grass in the compound instead of so much, you know, what do we call it? Concrete. People, I've seen houses here, and I'm not trying to criticize because everybody has their own taste, but like I've seen houses in Ghana that has a lot of all the compound is tiled. You know, we want to get some trees in there, get some flowers, and then have the grass as well. So that's what we're gonna do. So that is the quick update when it comes to the landscaping aspect, and then when also about the lights in the compound. Um, Also, we've done something to the pool. We are going to continue the construction of the pool. I think we stopped because of the rain. The rain was a lot. It rained, you know, May, June. So we just stopped. So we're gonna start the pool, and we're gonna continue the pool. Sorry. So we drain all the water from it, and we use it. We actually pour the water. We pump the water and pour it on the soil in the compound, the laterite in the compound. Now, as you can see, they came in and they laid the block, the one layout block that I was talking about in my last video that we will lay. So we did that. Now, because we actually want the pool to kind of stand out a little bit. But after we're done with everything, I think it's going to be the same level. But that is what the person building the pool and the landscaping guy, that's what they talked about, and that's how they think it's going to look nice. So I'm looking forward to it. But they will come in, they will pour the concrete in between. And then hopefully we are hoping that if it doesn't rain, because obviously with water that was sitting in the pool and we pumped it out, we have to let it dry before they can actually plaster the inside. So our hope is that if it doesn't rain, then next week they will do the plastering. So I'll try as much as I can to give an update when they do the plastering as well. So as you can see, you see the lines over there. It's a little bit wet. When you look at the top, it's dry, but then you look, it's a little bit wet. So we are going to let it dry, and then we'll do the plastering. And then after that, we will build the pool house as well. And then obviously we'll put the finishing touches to the pool, tiling and all that, the lights that needs to be inside the pool, all that things we're going to do. So obviously, we are making progress. We're going to continue the building, okay? Building the pool. So as you can see in there, they already put some concrete in there, but I think they want it to dry, and so they're going to come back again to do it before they plaster it. So we're looking forward to this pool, trying to see how best it will look like. But as I said, those people building the pool, the supervisor is actually good. He's taking his time to build it because he's built several of them and he has full knowledge of it. So we're gonna see if he does a good job. Then obviously, he can help other people, and we'll take it from there. So as always, people, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if you like this video.